Hey everyone, welcome back to WindowzTech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the remove failed error when trying to connecting a Bluetooth device on Windows 11 or 10. This is a common issue, but don't worry, I'll guide you through simple steps to resolve it. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Restart Bluetooth services. First, let's try restarting the Bluetooth services. This can refresh the Bluetooth connection and potentially fix the issue. Go to the search and type services and run as administrator. Once the services open up, scroll down and find the Bluetooth support service. On the left side, click on Start to start the service. If the service is already started, you can restart it once. Once it's restarted, try removing the Bluetooth device again. If the error persists, move on to the next step. If restarting the Bluetooth service didn't work, we can try updating the device directly from the device manager. So open up the device manager. Go to Bluetooth, expand it. Then go to Generic Bluetooth Devices, right-click Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for devices. Then click on Let Me Pick. Click Next and then close it. And restart your PC. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the Bluetooth remove failed error on your Windows 11 or 10 device. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech guides and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.